If you've got £1,000 to spend on a PC, stop scrolling. This is the build that actually performs. Drop your budget in the comments and I'll design a version for you. Here's the formula: a Ryzen 5 or i5 class CPU, no bottlenecks, a mid-tier GPU with real-world performance, not marketing hype, 32GB, DDR5 so your games don't choke, and airflow, because heat destroys FPS. Do this right, and your £1,000 build will outperform most overpriced pre-builts. Follow BuildLab UK for more no-nonsense PC build advice. And here's the part everyone forgets: balance beats big specs.